Hey everyone, welcome. Are you looking for a simple way to manage your money? Today I am Noor. I am going to show you the 70-20-10 budget rule, the easiest way to take control of your finance without the stress. This rule breaks down your income into three simple categories, which are 70% of your living expense, think rent, groceries, and bills. 20% goes toward savings and investment, building your future, and the remaining 10% that's for your fun and paying off debt because you need a life balance. So, how do you figure this out for yourself? I have created a simple, easy 70-20-10 calculator and it's completely free. Just enter your income, pick your currency, and hit calculate budget green button. You will instantly see how your income breaks down. On to save or print your plan, click the blue download full report button. Choose the PDF or CSV. In this video, I have grabbed the PDF option and it downloaded within a second. If open the PDF, now find my personal budget planner. So you can get a personalized planner to track your money anytime. To find this calculator, just go to easybizmanage.com and look for the article titled How the 70-20-10 Budget Rule Works. I have dropped a direct link in this video description for you. That's it for today. If you find this helpful, like and share it and subscribe for more money management tips. I will see you in the next video.